Fredrik coming at you with another video. I'm walking from, where the heck are we? What's over there? That is the ARIA. I gotta head back over to Park MGM. I figured you might want to take a walk with me. See the sights and sounds of Las Vegas on a Saturday night. And we'll do it right after this. Doggo, what you doing, buddy? Beautiful. I look like a wolf. See that? So yeah, walking from the ARIA, gotta go back to Park MGM. So check out Las Vegas on a beautiful, and I mean beautiful Saturday night. I think it's about 10:30-ish. Did a live stream, and the weather suddenly cooled off today. It's maybe 80 right now. For this time of year, that's fantastic. It was like 70 last night. So I'm gonna take it. So I hope everyone is having an absolute spectacular day or evening, whenever you happen to be watching this. And if you do enjoy these casual, random walks around Las Vegas, let me know in the comments. And I'll just pop on the camera whenever I'm out here and bring you along. Walking in some wind right now, so you might hear a little wind rumble. A lot of people out too. Heard an amazing band over by New York, outside. No thank you. Tripped over my own feet. Whoa, it's getting heavy. Alright, I'm going to bury the microphone a little deeper. Save you guys the noise. Hold everything. Alright, that should be a little better. I rarely park at the Park MGM. Except when I'm going to one of my favorite restaurants in town, which is Bavets. And I think I'll take it past that too. Yeah, we'll go for a walk inside also, why not? Let's go this way. Never eaten here. The Crack Shack. I don't know, why does that not sound appealing to me? The Crack Shack. Is it good? Let me know that in the comments. Let me know everything in the comments. Tell me everything. Tell me your life story. Oh, here we are. Speaking of which, someone's walked right by. So this is Italy. Alright, let me get some views. Alright, it's all good. Yep. It's Bring Your Infant to Las Vegas Day. Infant. So that's Italy. Hope we don't get the spankage. Let's keep it moving. There we go. Just need a little help. Okay. They're kind of closing down. I wanted to get some coffee before with a friend of mine, and this line was twice as long. I'm just not waiting on a line like that for coffee. Sometimes I feel bad for you tourists that almost everything nowadays involves a wait. I'm just not willing to do it because I can go home and make coffee. Which I'm actually not going home now. I'm actually going to meet some friends over at Yama Sushi across from the RW. That, what is it? An all-you-can-eat sushi joint. It's actually pretty good, pretty affordable too. But just when you have a server's attention, just order everything and tip them. Tip them up front. That way they're not like, they don't throttle you on the freebies. Tip up front and order like 100 things. It's the only way you're gonna get any all-you-can-eat activities. Best friends. Music's kind of loud in here. Mama Rabbit. It's all good. Las Vegas' finest, keeping everyone safe, is on the record. And again, we're at the Park MGM. Usually they don't have a decent crowd like this, but they're doing all right for a Saturday night. I was saying during my live, this is where I used to do my radio show back in the day on K-Dawn. I used to pack this house. And I don't even sing. But I can be entertaining AF. Check it out. It's kind of the same, but not. It's different. Slightly different floor plan, but still the same place. See now, if you went to Bellagio or something, there'd be like an ass in almost every seat. But this place is different. That's Bavette's, one of my absolute favoritist steakhouses in all Las Vegas. I was there 2 nights ago. Delicious. I highly recommend it. But this is a non-smoking establishment, and they want to continue with the non-smoking throughout town. But they don't see that this is like, you know, this is like a Monday night at another place, and this is their Saturday night. I think it's because of the non-smoking. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but it just is what it is. They're high limit slots. They do play decent music in here. This is their high limit room, well, high limit slot room. And that is the Nomad Casino over there. Whoa, it's kind of loud in here. Yikes. And I always say, never play machines that are in these like little isolated corners. The chances of winning are like slim and none. Wow, I could use some coffee. I'm not a big fan of Starbucks though. They're closed anyway, like every other freaking Starbucks. I can't be the only one who drinks coffee before bed, right? I wonder if their pool is open. Let's go see. I doubt it. Well, let's go see. Why not? I did a complete walkthrough of this place. Maybe I'll put a link in the description if I remember. No, they're like way closed. A lot of people don't know, but you can get from Park MGM all the way to the Bellagio without ever walking on the strip. You just got to know the back ways. Or I wouldn't say the back ways, the different alleys and cut-throughs and all that other stuff. I like when people smile for the camera. Like all you gotta do is go down there and up. And you come out in the ARIA. And you can keep going from there. From the ARIA you can go to the Bellagio. There's Primrose. See, this is how quiet it is. The bar is closed on a Saturday night. Let's check out their menu. What do they got? Soup and salad, $20 burger, yada, yada, yada. Coffee, I want coffee. But I'll get it at the RW. This is kind of cool, right? Look at that. It's like some kind of creepy roots of a tree. Ladies getting ready to do that lady things. Should we go outside? Yeah, let's go outside. Let's do the outside thing. There you go, I got you. You're welcome. Does this look like Saturday night in Las Vegas? I don't know. Oh, it's windy. So I'm going to thank you for keeping me company on my walk back to my car. Hope this wind isn't too brutal. Whoa, it is now. Alright, let me give you a view. Let's see which way we're going to go. How about... There we go, New York, New York. So again, I want to thank you. I appreciate you for keeping me company. And I'm going to ask you if you'd like to support the channel. You can do that with Patreon. You get a channel membership, or click on any links in the description below. I'm going to drop the 9th word of the day. Whoa! Right up there. This corner? Was I right this time? I don't know. And if you drop that in the comments, it'll let YouTube know and me know that you did indeed stick around to the very end. And again, if you like to support the channel, you know how to do it. Like, share, subscribe, and especially hit the bell button, and especially click on any links in the description below, especially this one right here. This day coming up. Go get yourself, or the man you love, man in your life, an Olight flashlight. Best EDC carry gear known to man. Ain't gonna lie. And on that note, a windy Bror Fredrik out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.